of us in the Institute is a field archaeologist working outside with a specific project, asking specific archaeological questions. Our direction, we're leading ourselves only by the archaeological questions, but we use for it modern technology. When we enter a house, for example, usually when we walk through the door, but archaeologists come from the roof. In order to imagine this house, all the way down to where the door is, you need some sort of a technology that will help you simulate and reconstruct the houses, the features, the areas of occupation. With technology, we're able to bring also 3D scanners and various other techniques to the site to document digitally the various phases of excavation. And by that, we could reconstruct whatever was in the past and view it from the right angle. One of the most exciting things I excavated and published was a special grave in a cave, which I called a shaman grave. The artifacts were scanned at the lab, and some of the pieces that we scanned, with our technology, we managed to show there was intentional breakage done before they were put within the grave. Meaning, with our technology, we could show specific elements of the ritual that was conducted while burying the dead. Many archaeologists now are using the 3D and R developments worldwide. We uploaded our software in free platforms that you could download by yourself, and some even communicate with us, and we help them use our programs. So once we introduce it in the academic way, by publishing it in journals and so forth, then we give it away, and we have people from Institute of Archaeology and Anthropology from all over the world using it.